Hello guys, welcome back to yet another vlog of Youngest Traveler Diaries. My name is Krish Upadhyay and welcome back to the Rajasthan series. It's day 2 today and we are here to explore Amer, the previous capital of the Kachwaha rulers. The current capital is Jaipur. So let me show you around all the forts and the palaces of the Kachwaha rulers and their lifestyle. This structure that I am in right now is the Diwani Arm, where the rulers of the kingdom of Kachwaha would meet the common public and address their issues. You can come up to the Amer Fort in 3 ways, either by jeep or elephant ride or by trekking. Trekking is a little bit tiring, but if you have old age or problem in your knees or legs, I would prefer to take the jeep ride or the elephant ride. This structure behind me is the Diwani Khas. It was built by Maharaja Jai Singh I. It is also known as the Sheesh Mahal because of its intricate glasswork design. Here, the king would address his nobles and higher class of people. Here, they would have more private meetings than the Diwani Arms. We are now exploring the remains of the Man Singh Palace on the first floor. Our history is very rich, and these 15th-16th century structures are a sign to the world that India has a rich heritage. But some people come here and vandalize these structures like they mean nothing to us. We should avoid vandalizing these structures at any cost and preserve our past. That's how we learn in the future. The fort behind me is the Jaigarh Fort. It was built to keep an eye over Amer Fort and also keep a lookout for the enemies nearby. If you are enjoying the Rajasthan series so far, we have only covered half of Jaipur till now. But till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to receive any new updates when I next upload. Till then, keep watching the Rajasthan series and enjoying it with me. The shooting of the film Jodha Akbar was also shot, and as props they had bought here 2 large vessels, but the costing of taking them back was so much that they left them right here. We are now entering a Khufia tunnel which was used during the olden times that would take us from Amer Fort to Jaigarh Fort. The Jaigarh Fort would have all the military services, and in case there was an attack on Amer Fort, the royal family would escape through the secret tunnel to go to the Jaigarh Fort. So we are also using the tunnel right now to go there. As I mentioned earlier, Jaigarh Fort was used as a surveillance fort to keep an eye out for all the enemies here, and also a base camp for all the soldiers of Amer Fort. If there was an attack at Amer Fort, then the royal family would use a secret tunnel that would lead up to Jaigarh Fort. Some part of it is underground while the rest of it is out in the open. So I also took the same tunnel from Amer Fort and now I'm heading towards Jaigarh. After the long and tiresome journey of the secret tunnel from Amer Fort, we are now here at the Jaigarh Fort. And this cannon right behind me is called the Bajrang Van. It has a radius of 35 kilometers and it is decorated with two beautiful dolphins. It was driven by oxen to the battlefield. It is a very good example of the garrison cannon. This machine right behind me shows the advancement of the mechanical warfare in those times. The machine was used to drill holes in big barrels to turn them into cannons. This area of Jaigarh Fort is the cannon making factory, where from the minutest processes of making the hole in the cannon, from getting the barrel of the cannon, everything was done here.
Along with its historical importance, Jaigarh Fort also has an importance in Bollywood. It has featured as the backdrop for multiple movies including Khuda Gawah, Chahat and Dabangg 3. Multiple major actors have also shot their scenes here, including Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and Amitabh Bachchan. Jaigarh Fort is known for its marvelous views, but you can also have a view in the past with Jaigarh Fort's museum. It shows ancient weaponry and armor along with cannons, battle axes, swords and many more things, which give you a deep insight on how the lifestyle of the rulers back in the day was.
You all might have heard of the saying, "Ye kaun si badi top hai?" Well, I'm here at the world's largest cannon, located here in Jaigarh Fort. This cannon's name is Jaivan. It requires over 100 kilos of gunpowder, through which a 50 kilo cannonball is shot. Its radius is 40 kilometers. Can you believe it? It was only shot once in the entire history and it landed in a pond 40 kilometers away from here. But they never fired it again because it was so loud that it could kill anyone near it. Even to be carried into the battlefield, Jaivan required so many elephants and ropes that it was physically impossible. Did you know that the Rajput kings had a lot of treasure stored? But during the absence of the king, the treasure was taken away. Now here at the Nahargarh Fort, which is part of the circle of forts like Amer Fort and Jaigarh Fort. It acted as a strong barrier along with Jaigarh Fort to keep the enemies at bay. Nahargarh Fort was first called Sudarshan Fort, but they changed its name to Nahargarh Fort, meaning abode of tigers. It is also said that they changed the name because a spirit called Nahar Singh Bhumia haunted this place and obstructed in the construction of this fort. That's why, to calm his spirit, they also made a temple dedicated to him here in the fort. This structure that you see beside me is the step well. Here they used to harvest the rainwater because it was very hard to supply water, as this fort is located at the very edge of the Aravali hill. Right beside Hawa Mahal, I found this small cute cafe called the Cheesy Crazy Cafe in Jaipur. Here you get all sorts of sandwiches, Maggie and fries, burgers. It's a small cafe and the food is just like Mumbai. So I have ordered Maggie and French fries. So let's have a taste test.
After exploring the beautiful markets of the Pink City, I ended my day with a visit to the Tadkeshwar Mahadev temple. This is all from episode 2 of the Rajasthan series. Stay tuned क्योंकि अभी तो पिक्चर शुरू हुई है मेरे दोस्त.